Hey guys, this is my new Delta power miter saw. This is my first power miter saw and it is very old. This is built in October 1997. This was actually my dad's power miter saw that he bought. So I already used it to cut a lot of stuff like 4x4s, 4x4s, and it just gobbles it up. It does a really good job. But it wasn't always that way. My dad kept this in the garage for probably 20 plus years. Used it for 5 years and left it in the garage afterward that. Reason why is because he said it was underpowered and stuff like that. So long story short, he left it in the garage, rusted through. The motor was rusted, the blade was rusted, everything was rusted, and nothing was moving. So long story short was that he said, hey, I'll give you an old power miter saw. You could have it, just fix it. And I said, oh, why not? Challenge accepted. Might do that. So after taking it apart, I realized I basically had to soak the whole darn thing with WD-40. So it loosened up all the old wood shavings and dust inside the motor, the spindle of the drive unit, as well as every joint on this thing I soaked with WD-40 and left it in the sun so that it would basically warm up. After that, I took it apart, opened up the motor assembly area and sucked up all the old wood dust that were stuck in there. And then I took out the carbon brushes and just replaced them. Those carbon brushes were down to the last few millimeter or two. So that was probably one of the reasons why it was underpowered, because the carbon brushes were really worn thin and they just needed a replacement. Either a cleaning, but it definitely needed a replacement because there's only a few millimeters left. Normally those are about this thick, about a centimeter or two in carbon, but I replaced that as well. Another thing was that this was the hardest part, was this guard. So this guard broke. You can see the arm is here and it just broke. What I did was that I used a hot stapler and put some hot staples in it, mounted it together. What I should have done was not only hot staple it, but also put some fiberglass or some JB Weld to epoxy this thing together so it'll be stronger, because this stuff is brittle. So I fixed this about a couple months ago, but it's already broken after a lot of uses. So it's not a good thing, but I know this is going to crack again, so I'm going to find another way to solve that problem. But long story short, this thing works awesome. And I don't know, new brushes and stuff, it works perfectly fine to cut, what I needed to cut. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I just want to share this awesome story. And this is my first miter saw in more ways than one. This is pretty awesome. So anyways, thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.